Good morning, sweetie. Time to wake up?
5 more minutes. Mom, please.
No, you'll be late for school.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, but I had a funny dream.
Really? Tell me about it.
I dreamed I could fly like a bird.
That's nice. Now go wash your face and come to the kitchen.
What's for breakfast?
Toast with jam and a glass of milk.
Yum, I'm coming.
Hey, welcome home. How was school today?
It was great. We had art class.
Oh, what did you make?
I painted a picture of a mountain.
That sounds lovely. Can I see it?
Yes, it's in my bag.
Wow, you're getting better at painting.
Thanks, Mom. I want to be an artist one day.
That's a wonderful dream. Keep practicing.
I will. Can I paint after dinner?
Of course. Can you help me in the kitchen?
Sure. What are we cooking?
We're making vegetable soup.
Can I cut the carrots?
Yes, but be careful with the knife.
Okay, I will be careful.
Great. Now stir the soup gently.
It smells so good.
That's because we added fresh herbs.
I can't wait to eat it.
Dinner will be ready in 10 minutes.
Yay!
It's bedtime, sweetie.
Can I stay up a little longer?
No, it's already late.
Okay, but can you tell me a story?
Sure. What kind of story?
A funny one.
All right. Once there was a cat who wanted to be a chef.
Ha ha, a cooking cat?
Yes, and he made the best fish soup in the town.
That's so silly.
Now close your eyes, and you'll dream about it.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, sweetie. Let's go shopping today.
Yay! Are we going to the big mall?
Yes, we need groceries and some clothes for you.
Can I get new shoes?
We'll see if we find a good pair.
I also want ice cream.
First shopping, then ice cream,
Deal. What do we need to buy?
bread, eggs, milk, and some vegetables.
Can I push the cart?
Sure, but be careful not to bump into people.
Don't worry, Mom. I'm a good driver. Rainy day at home.
Wake up, honey.
Is it morning already?
Yes, and it's raining outside.
Oh no, I wanted to play in the yard.
Maybe later if the rain stops?
Can I wear my yellow raincoat?
Sure, it will keep you dry.
And my boots too.
Yes, don't forget your umbrella.
I love the sound of the rain.
Me too. It's relaxing.
Preparing for a school test.
Do you have a test today?
Yes, it's in math.
Are you ready for it?
I think so. I studied last night.
That's good. Remember to read each question carefully.
Okay, I will.
And don't forget to check your answers.
Got it, Mom.
You'll do great.
Thanks for believing in me. First time riding a bicycle.
Are you ready to ride your bike?
I'm a little scared.
Don't worry, I'll be right here.
What if I fall?
Then you get back up and try again.
Okay, here I go.
That's it. Keep pedaling.
I'm doing it.
See? I told you.
This is fun. Getting ready to go to the park.
Get your shoes on.
Where are we going?
Dress to the park.
Can I bring my ball?
Of course.
And some snacks.
Yes, I packed them already.
Yay! Let's go now.
Patience. We still need sunscreen.
Oh, right. When the child is sad.
You look sad. What happened?
My friend didn't play with me today.
Maybe they were busy.
But I felt left out.
I understand.
What should I do?
Talk to your friend tomorrow.
Okay, I'll try.
You're a kind person. They'll see that.
Baking cookies?
Want to bake cookies together?
Chocolate chip?
Of course.
Can I pour the flour?
Sure, but carefully.
Oops, some fell on the table.
That's okay. We'll clean it later.
This smells amazing.
They'll be ready in 15 minutes.
I can't wait. Going to the supermarket.
Hold my hand in the store.
Okay, Mom.
We need bread, milk, and apples.
Can I choose the apples?
Sure, pick the red ones.
These look shiny.
Good choice.
Can we get candy too?
Just one small pack.
Birthday! Birthday celebration! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
How old are you now?
I'm 8.
Wow, you're growing fast.
Can I open my presents?
After breakfast,
Okay, but I'm excited.
I can see that.
Let's watch a movie tonight.
Can it be a cartoon?
Sure, which one?
The one with the singing animals
All right, I'll make popcorn.
and juice.
Yes,
This is the best night ever.
I'm glad you're happy.
When the child is sick, how are you feeling?
My head hurts.
Let's check your temperature.
Am I sick?
You have a small fever.
Can I stay in bed?
Yes, and drink some water.
Okay.
You'll feel better soon.
Going to the beach.
The weather is perfect for the beach.
Yay! Can I build a sand castle?
Yes, and we'll take pictures.
I also want to swim.
Wait for me. We'll go together.
This is going to be fun.
Don't forget sunscreen.
Got it.
Preparing for the school festival? Do you have everything for the school fair?
I think so.
Costume?
Yes,
Tickets?
in my bag.
Good. Let's go early.
I'm so excited.
Practicing a musical instrument.
Practice your piano today.
I'm tired.
Just 15 minutes.
Fine.
That's better.
I like this song.
It sounds lovely.
Thanks, Mom. Afternoon study time.
Time to do your homework.
Can I rest first?
Just 10 minutes.
Okay.
Which subject do you have today?
English and science.
Let's start with English.
All right.
I'll help if you need me.
Thanks, Mom. Power outage at night.
The lights went out.
It's so dark.
I'll get a flashlight.
Can we light candles?
Guess, but be careful.
This feels like camping.
Exactly.
Can we tell stories?
Sure.
Learning to swim.
Ready for swimming lessons?
A little nervous.
You'll be fine.
Okay.
Kick your legs like this.
Like this.
Perfect.
This is easier than I thought. Planting trees.
Let's plant flowers in the garden.
Yay! Which ones?
Sunflowers and roses.
Can I dig the holes?
Yes,
This is fun.
they'll grow tall soon.
I'll water them every day. Rain and rainbow.
Look, the rain stopped.
Oh, a rainbow.
Isn't it beautiful?
Can I take a picture?
Sure.
I love rainbows.
Me too.
They make me happy.
Time for a nap.
I'm not sleepy.
Just lie down and rest.
Okay.
I'll sing you a song.
That's nice.
Close your eyes.
Okay, Mom.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very.
What do you want to eat?
A sandwich?
Coming right up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You make the best sandwiches.